Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off with drawing tablets that are under $200. So the first one that I really liked is this one called XP Pen Artist 12. I don't know, it has this long name, but obviously I'm just gonna show you some specs for this drawing tablet because I really liked it. So obviously, as you guys can see, it has this display, so you can connect it with your computer and you have the display on this tablet. You have the screen to work with on this tab, and at this price point at $200, it is almost $200, even though there's no price written anywhere, but I have researched it is for $200 and it has the screen as well. Now it provides a lot of stuff for just $200. So the first thing is obviously you have these shortcut keys onto the tablet built in, and the screen, the display is 11.6 inches, and you can also see the length. And I'm not going to go into detailed specs for this tablet. I just want to show you the main things that this tablet provides you with. Obviously it comes with a pen also, and as you guys can see, the pen looks so good. It looks as if it is a real pencil, and it also comes with a pen holder. What else do you want under $200? It's amazing. I think I'm going to purchase it. And obviously you have different levels for sensitivities, and if I'm not getting this wrong, it also has digital eraser. It also comes with 8 different pen nibs, so just in case you broke one, you can just replace it with another. So under just $200, you're getting so much out of it. Now here they show the compatibility for the tablet. Now it is compatible with Mac, Windows, and everything of that sort. And as you guys can see, they also showed the softwares you can use this tablet with. It is actually compatible with each and every software that we usually use. You don't really have to use Photoshop or anything of that sort. You can just download Sketchbook. You know, if you are looking for a software which is free, you can just download Sketchbook and you can just, you know, start drawing on that because it has a screen, which is amazing. I think it also has a stand as well. And as you guys can see, you also get the USB obviously to connect that with your computer. Also the pen it comes with doesn't have any battery. It doesn't require, you don't really have to charge your pen as we do with Apple Pencils. So that's one thing that I liked as well. Now if you want to check out detailed specs for this tablet, I will link this tablet down in the description. It says it is currently unavailable right here, but just check the availability in your specific country. Okay guys, so the next one is this Parblo 10.1 inches. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right, but it doesn't really matter. You can just look it for yourself. But the thing is, it also comes with a bag. It comes with a pen, battery-free pen, and also the USB and a lot of stuff of that sort. So let's just check out what they provide under just $180. So here are all the stuff they are providing you under just $180. Obviously the tablet and a little bag for your stylus as well, a little bag for your tablet, obviously the USB cable, you are going to connect it with your computer, and the glove. So what else do you want under $180? Okay, so they're just giving you everything. I never heard of them before, but when I was researching, I just saw they were actually providing a lot of stuff with the tablet. So I thought, why not include this into the list, because it is so inexpensive and affordable. So obviously this tablet has a screen, and it also has this little stand right at the back of it, so that when you're drawing, you have this really good angle for you when you're drawing, because we do need a little bit of slant going on when we are drawing, and the stand actually are for that purpose only. So that's quite amazing as well. And you can actually connect this tablet with any computer, any laptop, and you can pretty much use any software with this tablet. And you don't really have to stick with softwares which are expensive. For example, Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator, and stuff like that. You can also use Sketchbook if you are looking for some free software. As you guys can see, they have actually given the operation system they are compatible with. They are compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and macOS 10. And just read through all of the specs they have given, before you go ahead and make the purchase. But I think for just $180 they are providing a great deal. They're just giving you everything you need in a drawing tablet. So I'd highly recommend you guys, if you're somebody who's beginner and who doesn't want to spend a lot of money on tablets, I think you should just go ahead with this one. Another option is to purchase refurbished stuff. So for example, right here we have refurbished Apple iPad mini. You can actually find refurbished Apple items anywhere. You can also find those on Amazon as well. Just for example purpose, I just opened up Walmart, and as you guys can see how inexpensive this one is right here. So you'll just have to do a little bit of research. So refurbished items are usually inexpensive and they are less pricey as compared to the original product, and it doesn't mean that they are defective or anything of that sort. They work just fine as the original products do. So you can just go ahead and do a little research on finding a good refurbished Apple iPad which suits your budget. And yeah, when you're gonna purchase refurbished Apple iPad, you would want to purchase Apple Pencil also, but that is expensive, so you don't really have to buy Apple Pencil. You can actually purchase any stylus for that matter. So I used to use a really affordable stylus with my iPad, and it actually did a great job. I didn't really need to buy Apple Pencil, so don't worry about the pencil thing. I think you should just go ahead and check out refurbished items as well. Now the next one on this list is Fire HD 10 tablet. Now this is for $150, even though they haven't mentioned anywhere the price for this tablet, because I think this is not available in my location, but you can find it. Now this is not specifically a drawing tablet, it is just like iPad, so you can just download apps into the tablet, and this is an Android tablet, so you can just download, if you are looking for free software, you can download Sketchbook and Ibis Paint. Those are my favorite ones, and those are the ones that I highly recommend using. Now for the specs, I'd highly recommend you guys checking the link out, but as you guys can see, these are really handy and really small. These are not only for drawing, but you can also do a lot of stuff with these, and these are really inexpensive tablets. And you can just choose your storage as well, so you can just go ahead with 32 GB or 64 GB, which is not much, but you can always just transfer your artworks into a pen drive just to make sure you're not just occupying all of the space the tablet has. So you don't really have to go ahead and buy a drawing tablet if you don't want to. You can just purchase these really inexpensive and affordable ones, and these also come in different display sizes as well, so you can choose between those, and also comes in different colors as well. And again, to work with this, you'll have to buy a stylus. Obviously it doesn't come with any stylus, so you'd have to buy a third-party stylus. And if you guys want me to do a video on best stylus that you can purchase for drawing, then let me know down in the comment section below. But I think for this price point, if I was a broke college student and if I wanted to start with art on tablet, then I would actually go ahead with these. And yeah, I'd highly recommend purchasing these and at least checking these out. Okay guys, so the last one is similar to the one I showed you previously. This is Lenovo Yoga Tab 3. I don't know why they are calling it Yoga Tab. Now this is an Android tablet, and this is a standalone tablet, which means you don't really have to connect it with your computer. You can just download all the drawing apps into that tablet, and you can just go ahead with the drawing process. Now it doesn't come with any stylus, so you'd have to buy a third-party stylus for this to work. And yeah, you're good to go. You're good with your drawing setup with this really inexpensive drawing tablet, and this is for around $170 to $180, which is quite inexpensive. And for specs, I would highly recommend you guys checking out the detailed specifications they have listed right here. But the main part is they have a really good display size, and it comes from 8 inches to 10.1 inches. You can choose between the two, and it doesn't have to be connected with the computer. And for you to make it a really good drawing tablet, just purchase a really affordable stylus to work with it, and you are good to go. So yeah, I'll be giving all the links down in the description below. and I actually did my little research to find these. So there are a lot of options out there, but these are the ones you actually can go ahead with and you can trust these. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down in the comment section below, and also let me know if you are going ahead with any of these. So yeah, if you want me to do a video on best affordable stylus to purchase for drawing or for digital art, let me know down in the comment section as well. Other than that, I think I will see you guys in the next video.